could be wrong.
And this is where Uhuru Kenyatta comes in. Gachagua tried to disinherit him using crude weapons. And when he got desperate, he announced on TV that Uhuru Kenyatta was actually the kingpin of the mountain. It is on record. Now that the kingpin has slaughtered a goat for Ruto, what will Gachagua tell us about Uhuru Kenyatta? What abuses will he throw at him and his family? Instead of stealing Mama Ngina's goats and burning her Northlands farm, Ruto climbed down. He could have invited Uhuru Kenyatta to State House for the handshake, but he chose to drive to Ichaweri to reconcile. The symbolism of this act will only be revealed with time. But for now, we must take note of two things. One, the Kikuyus are not happy with Uhuru for slaughtering a goat for Ruto. And if you ask them why they are bitter, they have no answer. Fact. Two, Uhuru slaughtering a goat for Ruto was not about winning the Kikuyu votes. Far from it. And we do not know what it means. However, this handshake has left Gema in confusion. And wherever there is confusion, something is cooking. From Kindiki to Uhuru and turning Gachagua into a laughing hyena, Ruto is up to something in Gema.